Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are on our way to do a little day trip and we thought we'd take you along with us. And come see where we go eat. Let's go. Hey Ezzy.
Hi.
Are we gonna go see Grandma and Grandpa?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're just spending a little day trip with them, huh? First we gotta gas up. Are we ready to go?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Look over there.
Oh, there's the soda dude. I got my DDP, and so we are ready to go. We are starting to get into my favorite part of the drive, which is the connector of like Arizona into Utah is like a mountain gorge that you have to drive through, and it's so pretty. Okay, so we're approaching the gorge. It looks like it's far away, but it's really not. We'll just go right around the bend right here and we're in it. So cool. It is massive.
See how the drilling works?
Yeah, you can see like the big major drilling that had to happen. And wasn't this like $1 million a mile?
Yes.
Paul told us this like history on this, and nothing now costs $1 million a mile.
Yes.
He may be more like $1 million a block.
At the time, it was the most expensive road construction project in the U.S.
Do you know when this was made?
It was in maybe the 60s or 70s.
60s or 70s. Before, people, if they came to Utah through Nevada or vice versa, they had to go around this mountain, which actually takes you into Santa Clara, Utah. You can see our windows a little dusty. It's still very beautiful. So there's a river right on that other side of that median, and there is actually some water in it. It's called the Virgin River.
It goes through Zion and comes this way.
And then we'll see some water like on this side too, pretty quick here. Sometimes we've seen like mountain goats over here, and then there's wild cows sometimes.
And deer.
And deer, yeah. All right, look, there's some water right there. That's the Virgin River. So pretty. And now we're pretty much going into Utah right now. I'll show you pretty quick here some of the red rocks. Now we are in St. George, Utah. So as we get off the freeway, they have lots of red rocks here that are gorgeous. All right, so you can see some of these red cliffs. You can see a little bit more out there that they're starting to turn reddish and orangey. But it is really pretty to see. Makes the drive enjoyable. And now we are on our way to have some lunch. So let's go see where we're going. So we are eating at Black Bear Diner. Woohoo! Hey, Ezzy, you can take your mask off. You're at the table. Let's take a look at the menu here. Ooh. Do you know what you want to eat as? It's like a little newspaper, huh? Decided on cheese pizza?
Or macaroni and cheese.
Okay, he hasn't decided. Hey, Kobe just got some breakfast. Look at that. That looks so good. Woo woo. Or did you get the same thing?
No,
You got a waffle, right?
cream more.
Okay, let's wait for that. All right, here is that waffle. That looks so good. Are you going to eat it all or have some leftovers? And then this is what I got. It's like Thanksgiving on some toast. Wow, that looks delicious. Grandma got some salad. That's the taco?
It's the cheeseburger salad.
Oh, cheeseburger. Oh, okay, let me get a little closer then.
There's no cheese on it, and I got the honey mustard instead of the $1,000.
Yum. And it looks like Edie got the same. Balsamic. Did you get bacon on yours?
Yeah, it comes with bacon.
Oh, it comes with bacon. Okay, and then Paul got a chicken fried
ketchup.
steak. Yeah, ketchup. Chicken fried steak. Is that what that is? Yeah. Ezra, where's yours? It's coming. So it looks like it came. He got pizza and some French fries.
Good.
So that was really good. I really enjoyed having it. I didn't eat all of my turkey, but it was really good. At first I thought it might have been a tiny bit like salty, but after this first bite, the second bite and on, it was really delicious with the mashed potatoes. So let's see what the boys thought about their meal. What do you think about what you had today?
It was good.
You had, so you liked it?
Yeah, I had the pizza and the French fries and apple juice.
Okay, and he didn't eat all of the pizza. We left about half, and with that smile on your mask face, I'd say you were happy about it. Okay, so what did you think of our lunch today?
It was good.
It's good. Did you eat everything?
I ate most everything.
Yeah. And you got the chicken fried steak?
I did.
And it was the breakfast portion?
Yeah.
Is that what that is? Because he had hash browns with his. That's really good.
Yep.
All right.
It was good.
All right. Did you guys like your food?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you recommend Black Bear?
Yeah. It's alright.
It's really busy
Del
here,
Taco's
though, huh?
better, but
Del Taco.
Del Taco's fine.
Black Bear.
Oh, fast food. They're teenagers, so they love the fast food. All right. I think we're gonna go and make a stop really quick for a dessert and just take it with us, and then we're gonna go visit some more family. So we've decided to come and pick up some Swig cookies. So exciting. So we just got a bunch of cookies, so we're going to take some of these to Grandpa's house. So these ones, here, let me show you. I'm going to open them. This is the coconut one. It has a little bit of, what does it say? Almonds, coconut, and some chocolate chips. You can see them underneath. That just sounds so good. And then the other one that we just got two different kinds. This one's called the Dirt Ball. It's all chocolate with a chocolate frosting on top. Now these cookies, they obviously make them in mass, and then they put them in the refrigerator, so they're kind of chilly. So that's probably like a little bit of a turn off for me, but they're still really, really good. I don't know, something about cold cookies.
I like cold cookies.
Do you like them cold?
Like when you make sugar cookies, I like them better cold.
You know what? That's probably true. And they'll hold their shapes better too when they're refrigerated. So yeah, I think I like that. All right, so we just finished visiting with some family. We are now starting to make our way back into Las Vegas. So yeah, we will travel for food and for some visiting, I guess. So we're gonna head home and then see what we're gonna be planning a little later. So we are back home. Just took a little trip. That was the best. You go on little trips, little day trips with your friends or your family. But man, the traveling in the car for even a couple hours, I am so tired. And I'm already thinking about food for dinner. Yeah, it's gonna get close to dinner time soon. So, what should we do? He came right outside, huh? As soon as we could get home. Yeah. Okay, so my tired face means I am not making dinner. So I'm going to go and we're going to pick up some dinner at Del Taco. And it's funny because I'll just tell you. So we just get the usual, right?
Yep.
All right, what's your usual again?
Chili cheese fries and 2 quesadillas.
2 quesadillas. What's your usual?
Quesadillas and fries.
Yeah, we have usuals.
Some
Woohoo! We got our dinner. Thank you, Del Taco. All right, so we are back from Del Taco, and we're going to show you what we got for dinner. And then we're just going to end up our night just hanging out, I think. So let me show you what we got. He could not wait. So some chili cheese fries and a quesadilla. Then Paul just gets a couple of crunchy tacos and some chili cheese fries too.
But they ran out of fries, it looks like.
Well, I have some. You can have some of mine. And then Ezra, some fries and some quesadilla. And then Kobe's got, like, look at these. These are pretty yummy tacos. They're pretty big with some tomatoes. They're pretty, like, bulky. And then I get a vegetarian burrito. So it has, but then I have it go bold. So I should show you guys on the inside. It comes with like their secret sauce, and they put French fries in it. So you can do that with anything on the menu. It's go bold. You can put it with tacos, burritos, anything, and they'll put French fries and their secret sauce in there.
So, my mom's not vegetarian, by the way.
No, I just like the taste of just like the guacamole and the beans and the rice and stuff. It's really good. And that is a day, you guys. We had so much fun just being all together as a family, doing a mini road trip, visiting with family, and going to restaurants, the Big Bear Diner, and of course Del Taco. It's just been a lovely day. So we're just finishing out the night watching some Mary Poppins on Disney Plus. Mary Poppins Returns, and we're gonna just get ready for our next day tomorrow. We wish you guys a good evening, and stick around. You just never know what will be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.